Hi guys, this is Saikumar Korthivada. This is a new series I'm starting on JavaScript DOM accessing and manipulating methods and their techniques. This series would be something like a daily streak series. Daily you will be seeing one topic on my channel on this series, completely focusing on the communication between JavaScript and HTML, how to change them, and I'll show you the roadmap what I'm planning for this series. Here these are the topics which we'll be covering as a major topics, and they will be having all the subtopics. What are the different methods to access the HTML elements to JavaScript? So how we will be accessing all the HTML elements by using different type of techniques and different types of methods which were given by document object. And also techniques to add the events into our HTML elements. That means from HTML events to the JavaScript, and how to add a dynamic HTML events from the JavaScript to the HTML. That also we will be taking care in this series, and also the usage of this keyword over an element and its importance. We know about this keyword and the window object difference, but now in this series we will focus that this keyword importance over a particular element of an HTML and how it will be used. What are the special document methods to access the elements? We have some special methods like forms, anchors, links. We can access the HTML elements by using special methods and how to use them. And also we'll focus on how to create a dynamic HTML content in JavaScript, and also we will be using how to add events dynamically into your HTML content. So these are the different types of topics which we'll be covering in this series. Hopefully I'm trying to do a daily streak series on this particular topics. Every day you will be seeing one new topic and new concept in our JavaScript, and mainly focusing on the manipulations and accessing of the HTML onto JavaScript and from JavaScript to HTML. Hope you like this series. If you like this concept, please comment in the comment box, and hope you like this roadmap. Let's see how it impacts my subscribers. And if you like my series and the topic and the concept of daily streak series, please like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.